Good morning, ladies and gents, boys and girls, family and friends. Today we have here a camel neon sign. But it has, the camel is broken, so that's what I have to fix. So to fix that, I have to open the back. So that's what I'm gonna do. And to not lose the screws, I put them on a magnet. It says right here, this part, it says 1997. 1997, R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company. Well, this sign was built in 97. And it's still working. Only thing is that camel got broken, but everything else works. Now compare that to an LED sign of the same age and see if it's still working. I don't think so. We got it out. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna have to make this one new. It should be 8 millimeters. Yep. 8 millimeters, but what color is it? Well, first of all, I'm going to make a little pattern. So let's see how this one goes. I have to see how the other electric goes. It's broken, so I don't know. So it does extend a little bit, and then it goes down. And this other electric goes like this. Okay, so I still don't know what the color it is because I have to turn off the lights to see if I can see better. Nope, I cannot see better. Sometimes when the glass is old, it just doesn't work. I'm gonna have to check on the internet to see some other signs. What color is the camel? If I can find you. If not, I'm gonna have to ask the client. Hold on one second. Okay, I found it. It's purple. Purple. This thing is purple. A purple camel. So I'll see if I have purple. I don't know if I have purple. If I don't, I'm in trouble. I don't have purple. So I'm gonna have to tell the client that I can do it in some other color, because it'll take me some time to get the purple, if there is purple somewhere. So what color do I have? I just found purple. I do have it. At least I have one, and the other one I don't know. I only have one piece of glass, purple. It looks like I can make it out of one piece of glass. Yep, I can. Okay, so let us start.
I love neon lights, I say at night, when streets are dressed in borrowed light, when buzzing colors softly gleam like fragments of a waking dream. I love neon lights, the way they glow, steady, fragile, high and low. They're light like a heartbeat song that says you've been here all along. They paint the dark in flamingo pinks and cobalt blues, in fleeting ruby reds and electric hues, turning empty roads to art and lighting up a quiet heart. I love neon lights, again I claim, though everyone is just a name, a word, a shape, a shining line, still somehow feels like a light alive, because in every glowing scene there lives a pulse, a spark, a dream, and in their light I understand. I love the night they help to stand. I love neon lights, I say at night, when streets are dressed in borrowed light,
So the little Camel is ready. Now I'm going to take it to the pump. I still have to pump it. The little Camel is ready to be installed. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. Okay, testing. There it is. I still have to put the screws. There it is. So now on to the next job. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.